Wetin we no go see for betting in this life? Hey, I want Bet Naija, Bet Ghana, bet.com. All of una wey dey bet. Person don see am red o. Na so this guy dey work for Farm Milk. For una wey no know, Farm Milk na one company for Ghana wey dey produce all this yogurt, ice cream, all those things. The guy dey work for there o. Na so sales wey do for that day 7,000 Ghana cedis. If I no dey mistake, that one na about, if I no dey mistake, 700,000 naira. Hey! He carry the money. I no know which spirit enter this boy. He say he dey go bet. 700,000. He carry am, throw am inside bet. And for him mind, him plan be say if he throw that one, make big money, and una know say that kind thing go bring big money. For the boy mind, he go carry that 700k back, put am for where he remove, and then carry the profit for himself, chook am for pocket. My people, betting gone wrong. Now wetin they call this one? They come carry money, you no win. Now so the depot manager come dey call and say, how far na the sales for the day e no complete. This boy stop dey pick call since the day wey he hear about this matter. He no dey pick call. Na so they call am. Na so they bring police enter this matter. Na people, this guy go police station. Hey, na there he come release all the secrets. He come dey tell them say na true, make dem no vex. Say him plan say if he collect the money, he go put am back, then pocket the balance. All of una wey like dey bet. Hey, Chineke. Ghana, Nigeria, all of una youth wey you know say your life, if you no bet, you no go sleep that day. See, I don tire for una matter. This addiction wey don enter una body, wey una don say una no go hear word again for this life. Why una no fit see say this thing na set up? Why una no fit see? Because see, you no fit predict this thing. No be like normal this thing wey you know say, okay, if you put this thing, another income dey come, or you know say e get things wey if you do, you know say this one dey sure. Betting, you no fit. And still una no go hear word. Still una no dey hear word, una go continue to dey push. E be like say one thing just enter una body. Una never notice say anywhere, I know they talk of some places, anywhere una go for this world, especially Africa, every corner they don open bet.com, bet this one, every corner where you go. Because these people know say they make money from una pocket. Now why? And they go continue to dey open again. Open it. For one street, you fit see like 10 bets this thing. Wetin? They don't see say they profit. They don't see say they and una still they come. They know wetin they do. And mumu, una too, una go dey go. I even the one way even shock me self. Now wow, you go see one man. Again one day where I go see person for that side. See one man we carry laptop bag, suitcase, early momo. He go sit down for that place. Now there some people go there from morning to evening. Automatically, see, betting company, I be betting what have become their house. They go there from morning, maybe like 8 as they open. They go enter there 5 o'clock. They still there 7. Some of them na 10 they go house. Why una don't decide to make una life like this? Why? This betting is more than spirit. No be the one when una think say na just una go just carry money they go. Something they push una, but una no know. Na spirit. Now so you go just hear say, person don't hammer. If the thing go come give you joy, you go say, since this my friend hammer, myself, I should say I go hammer. You go. Your own go come dey different. You no go even hammer, you no go even chisel, you no go even nail, nothing. And still you go still enter. You see say you don't lose, you go see, okay, next one I go win. Next one. Now like that, una life don't become. Una still dey inside that same circle, but una no dey realize say una no dey move. You start here, you go, you come back to the same place. You go, you come back. Una eyes don't refuse to open. Now why I come here today? Because me, I go open this on an iPhone. You understand? See, this thing no be normal. And apart from finances, because yes, I know say they talk about money. See, apart from finances, your life, your health, your mental health, see, it dey at stake. E dey at stake. No be me talk am, e dey at stake. Abeg, before una go think say I don come back belle una, because real people wey talk this matter, I don bring them come una screen, understand? So before I go continue, make we listen to wetin they gas to talk.
Researchers found out that financial problems were one of the most commonly reported negative impacts when it comes to gambling. About 4% of gamblers say that these have been their experiences, and 51% of gambling addicts agree. More than 5% of gambling addicts declared bankruptcy because of this habit. Health and stress problems were also as common as financial problems, reported by nearly 4% of gamblers and 48% of gambling addicts. Researchers took the time to present all of these results today for the state's Gaming Commission.
The gambler in the long run never wins. Yeah, the house always wins. And they've figured that out.
Researchers have also found that 9% of gambling addicts reported neglecting their children or their family, 5% reported domestic violence, and nearly 4% became separated or divorced because of gambling.
I no sabi speak English. Una hear that one, ba? Una no notice say anytime una dey bet, or una don finish the bet, see, you no even feel dey okay. Like your body dey do you like say you dey on fire. Stress, you go dey depressed. Any small thing go just dey vex you at that time, especially when you know say your team dey about to lose. You go dey anxious. You go just dey. Una never notice am. How una go notice am when the only thing una mind dey think of na money? Na the only thing una mind dey go money. Now una go agree with me say una health dey at stake. So abeg, make una stop this thing. Even relationship, your workplace, you no go even fit focus for work. They go give you work to do, you go just dey there buried inside your phone. Omo, notice guys wey dey hold phone. Their face always dey inside. If you go check am now, nothing important wey they do. You go just see some green things. See, na some woman even come dey complain o. Say, Madam Aproko, my husband no get my time again o. Say, na bet. Normally, you wey dey treat your wife sweet. Notice these people, the day wey their ticket cut. That day, their wife go hear when for that house. You know they see this thing, they affect all of una. But una still dey go. Una still stop betting, no. Stop betting, no. You go see say even the decision where you suppose take. Instead of make you think A, you go dey think Z. See, your mind don't travel, you don't go. See this one now. Now wetin do am? And by now, I should say you don't think for your mind. Say, hey, how I want to pay this money? You know where to be 7,000 cedis. I beg that 7,000. Assuming even carry and give him girlfriend. You understand? We for even start to say, okay, make we find way. I beg all the ladies, if you know say you dey here now, you dey watch me under the sound of my voice. Make una better gather here now. In fact, we are in a serious critical, in fact, which English says I fit add. This one a serious situation. So make una gather now. It's time for prayer. Egbadura. We are about to cast, we are about to bind, we are about to destroy. In fact, we are about to burn them by fire. Oh yeah, if you are listening to me now, close your eyes. We are starting this prayer. Today. Enough is enough with betting. Kabashata. If you can speak in tongues, start speaking in tongues. Fire burn. In fact, start burning that place wherever you are. Hey, Karibo Shaka. Hey, Rebo Shete. Hey. Listen to me. Pause. Now, anything I say, you will reply, die by fire. Are you hearing me? So, let's start. Every spirit of betting. Every spirit that is taking the money that's supposed to enter our account inside that betting company, die by fire. Every manager of betting company, those people where they open left, right, up, down, die by fire now. Hey, Egbadura. See, hey, Yabashataya. See, it is not a funny thing, no. Because, see, ladies, listen to me. Imagine say all that money where they carry go bet, did invest them on our body. You know how fresh you go they look. Amen. So it's important we cast all those things away. You understand? That spirit must die. Every demon, you know very well you are entering our boyfriend. No wonder my boyfriend not even they give me money. Hey God, today they have died. They have died. You demon, you know you are tormenting my man. Hey ladies, if you know they pray, you go continue to the suffer. Every demon casting and binding. In fact, we are casting you. Stop oppressing our men. Stop oppressing our men in the name of Jesus. Waiting. Every time bet. Now so person go ask boy for money. Baby, I want to do my hair. My ticket have cut. Abego. Men, make una better repent. If this prayer no do na so I go continue to pray for una every day. So now, politicians, I know say today una go happy well because I don't come una favor today. If you know say you won't make we vote for you, this one nobody go even argue. You understand? Please ban betting. If you feel ban this betting thing, close everything down. Is it president you want? Just tell me the position as per leader of this group. I go put you there straight. You understand? Because we are tired. We are tired. In fact, I'm even angry with all the betting companies. If you know say you get betting company, you be a guy of betting company. Look me very well. I invest with you. The company itself, the owners, footballers. I don't even tire. All of una where they play football. No, I cannot even swear for owner. Anthony Marshall, you. Now you even they cut my boyfriend bet every time. If they cut in game, you go suppose score, you no go score. When you no suppose score, you go score. Take your time, because me I know they smile with you after they see me like this. What nonsense. My girls, we are ready for this war. And trust me, the one way we do today, when I go soon start the see results, my prayer no, you know they bounce back. Straight, forward ever, backward never. You understand? My people, na the matter be this also. I won't make una know wetin dey happen now. You understand? And now for una guys, now why I bring this matter? Stop betting. Say no to betting before you end up mad. Or before you end up they do wetin you not supposed to. You understand? The people, I want to know wetin una dey think concerning this matter. Drop am for the comment section. It is very, very important. And make sure say you share this video. Make all those boys hear me. You understand? We need a change. And make sure say you subscribe. Click on that notification bell if you don't want to miss interesting videos like this one. Love you guys. See you later. Wonder shall never end, my people. Now everybody they go extra mile to blackmail people anyhow. This one don't come out. He name na Femi Branch, na the Nigerian actor. I sure say many of una know am because they very popular. Like they do bad things for me. My brother, na joke. You know say na your career na they push out for you. My people, you don't come outside no. When they call on police. Nigeria police say they need take this matter very serious. I don't know how many of you even know this hotel, Pavilion Hotel, where they for Ayepe. Una know na there the matter happen. And I sure say many other hotels they like that. But no worry, make me focus on this one. My people, they find different cameras inside each room for that hotel. Inside the room, no be outside, no be passage. Inside each room, they plant cameras. They remove cameras for AC. They remove. No be small matter. Hey, you don't come outside now. Say this thing. Say na crime. Na serious crime. So they need arrest from the manager, the owner, operators of the hotel. Anybody we no say they involved for this hotel. They say they go come arrest them. So I beg for now we no know who be Femi Branch. I don't bring on a side. So join me. Make we watch the video.
Guys, you need to be vigilant. You need to be vigilant. You see, this camera in the hotel thing, where all of us just laugh. It's not a funny matter. It's not a funny matter. Forget about even, what will make somebody put a camera in a hotel? What's the motive? That's my own. What's the motive? I'm calling on the Nigerian police force to arrest the owner, the weather manager, or all the operators of Pavilion Hotel and Suites in Ayepe to do a thorough investigation concerning all the guests that have lodged in that place to find out whether after leaving that hotel, any of them got robbed or got murdered or got kidnapped or anything like that. Because you're in your room, you are making phone calls, you are disclosing confidential information. If you have money with you, you might have the money spread around the room or something like that. You know, these people could have gotten all manner of information from these cameras in bedrooms. Forget about whether they saw you sleeping with your girlfriend or saw you sleeping with your wife or saw your nakedness or saw your wife's naked. That is trivial. Oh. Be vigilant, guys. Start. I dey fear now to even go lodge for hotel. And now our work. Now social hotel. Eh?
This is the 5th camera in the room. Sure you can see.
Camera in our rooms.
Yes.
You're putting camera in our rooms, right?
Yes.
Infringing on people's privacy, seeing people's nakedness. Video in my law Insta blog. Video in my law Insta blog. You're putting cameras in the people's room, right? What the fuck name is the hotel?
Egba me. If you open your mouth now, tell me say this guy talk nonsense, eh? I go just strangle you. Something they work you now. Anybody will tell me say this guy talk nonsense. Something they worry you straight. Wetin camera they find inside person room? No, make we start from this question. Wetin camera they find for inside person room? Wetin be their plan? Wetin be their motive? This world, eh? Hey, Chineke. No be only sleep people they go do for hotel. Oh. Some people they go for business. Some people they go, you understand? Different reasons. Everybody get their different reasons. So they need privacy. You fit go with your boyfriend, I be husband and wife, fit go. The day when I no fit like to sleep in the house. You fit go based on you want to relax. And inside that hotel room, confidential calls will happen. You fit count your money. Maybe you just do one deal. Maybe na dollars. You fit put your money for bed, they count them. All down on camera, they watch. You and your person, they understand. Go down, camera, they watch. Your woman don't come outside from a shower. She don't go back. Camera don't watch. I beg. This thing a serious crime. I don't care how una they see am, but me, I don't talk am. If you know say you go hotel, where they attack you after that hotel, I beg, go back, check the hotel rooms. Because now the only way be this way they feel no. No, now imagine you come out from hotel room. How they know say you get money where they come attack you? Start a report. Anytime when you come out for hotel, you notice something different. Whether they blackmail you, person call you, say this one. Check the hotel, report the case. Very, very important. No wonder. People come they wonder say, how they go say, may they no carry money, may they no do this one. Many people just they talk many things. Now we define the whole thing. Now the matter they come outside. If you enter hotel, when say as the woman here, check all the corners because now they put those micro camera, those ones where you no go easily see them. They put them everywhere. Check them. Else tomorrow you go just wake up, find your nude pictures all over internet. You go the wonder say, which boyfriend heart you don't break, where you don't post. No be boyfriend. Some people just deliberately sit down, say they plan wickedness. So now suppose they alert, make una eye open. Imagine, even inside AC. See how they even hide them. Now watch out. They even hide the thing inside AC. How you go imagine say this thing fit inside AC? No, na question. For una to see, say they even they ask the manager for the video, say, so you wanna put camera inside the room? Say yes. Chai! I beg, make them lock that hotel. Whether na sue the hotel or lock the hotel, anyone who na know say una want do am. You understand? We don't need cameras for inside hotel room. We don't need them. If we want go where they go watch us, we go hostel. We don't need them. At least if you want put a camera for hotel, the passage or front of the door, so that you go know who they enter, who they come out in case of anything. Or entrance of the now like that they do. I never see where they put. My people, I beg, these people they get mission. They get mission. Again, one where I even see. Una no go believe they even put the camera inside. What did they call that thing? Smoke detector. I be detector. Now they put camera. So you no go even see your mind no go even go there. Your mind no go there. Now like that they do. So una need wake up. I beg, I dey beg una. Now why I bring this case? You understand? Because it is very important. And I beg again, for una we no say this particular hotel, Pavilion Hotel, Ayepe. Una we no say una don't visit that place maybe once or twice when una go relax or something. I beg. Think again. If you feel join for this report when we don't start, go join and give your own testimony. May they know. You understand? Some people they go through things. Oh, some people they go through serious things. And now this guy don't talk say you know go hotel again. Una no know wetin una dey do, but una dey spoil una own business by una self. Because now nobody go gree on your hotel. Who lose? Now you, me, I dey here and I dey work. You no concern me. My people na the matter be this oh, and I know say una enjoy am, but not just enjoy am alone. I beg share this video, not be just for enjoyment sake, but for security purpose. You understand? You get many people wey no know this thing. Now why una need share am so that it go far, you go save life, we go protect ourselves. You understand? Yes, and not forget drop that comment. It is very important between you and I. Yes, I love you guys. See you later.